Nice view?
Huh?
No, I was just wondering if you can get all of that, or would you like me to move or something?
What are you talking about, darling?
You are so pathetic.
Good God. She should be careful.
What, in case some pervy man wants to stare at her panties?
Well, yeah.
I saw you.
Saw me what?
Staring at her panties.
That's ridiculous.
She's very beautiful.
You think?
Yeah. Young, pert, and what is it your friend says? Oh, baby got back.
We don't say that.
Right. So what were you looking at then, because I saw you?
Oh, that. Oh God, did you think I would? God, that's funny. No, it was her book.
Her book? Yeah, and what book would that be?
La Tranche.
Le Tranche. You know it?
Oh, it's seminal.
Albus Camus, unless I'm mistaken.
It is, yeah. Made quite an impact on me as a teenager. Oh, Camus. Yeah, that book changed my life. I know she was reading and thought, well, you don't see it about that often.
So what is it about then?
Sorry?
Oh, come on. The book that changed my husband's life. Gotta know about that. You know how I love a good story.
Oh, well, it's French. It's a book about a man who's a stranger, basically. Anyway, he goes on quite an adventure, New man in town, the locals are difficult to break. He starts off as a stranger, and through a series of beautifully crafted events, he eventually becomes accepted as the new sheriff.
Sheriff?
It's kind of like a French Western. Molly, what are you? Hey,
Hi. I'm sorry to disturb you. I was just wondering if you could help me with something. Of course.
Molly, I really think we should leave this young lady alone.
Oh, no. You don't mind, do you?
No, not at all. Can I help you with?
You see, my husband couldn't help noticing the book you were reading.
Really? Le Tranche. Isn't it an amazing creation?
You know what? My husband was just saying so.
Really? You know it?
Yeah. Well, I read it a few years ago.
Isn't Marisol an extraordinary character? His inability to lie, his ability to live so much in the present. It's an amazing creation.
Yeah.
And still, he ends up as a sheriff.
Sorry?
I mean, isn't it remarkable how truthful he could be and still end up as a sheriff? I mean, he just cleaned up that town, didn't he?
No, I think you have the book a little bit confused.
Really?
Yeah, this book is about the fundamental existential crisis that society imposes upon man, upon all of us.
So it's not a French Western?
No.
We should leave.
Actually, no. I would like to apologize on behalf of my husband. I'm afraid he's been staring at your panties.
Oh, for God's sakes, Molly. I'm sorry about my wife. She's had too much sun.
On the contrary. You see, it's my husband who's been affected by the heat. But a little advice for you, next time you're sunbathing, you might want to be more careful. It's full of perverts out here. Now, apologize, pack up the things, and meet me in the car.
I really am very sorry. I should go.
Were you really looking at me?
Yes, I was.
That's quite frightening.
Oh God, I really am very sorry. My wife, she gets very jealous.
When you look at other girls' underwear?
Well, I don't very often stare.
Would you like to look again?
Sorry?
Would you like to take another look?
Sorry, another look at...
Yes. I mean, everyone needs another look now and again, just like Marisol in the heat, right?
Yes. Like mirrors. Thank you. Is that the right thing to...
Why not? You're welcome.